Today we discussed radical problem and also exponent is given. Let's start solution of this problem. We will solve this question with two methods. Let's begin solution of this question with first method. In first method, we have to eliminate this square root one by one. Now, we know that square root equal to 1 by 2 means square root a to the power 1 by 2. Here, first we solve this square root. To solve this square root, we have to write in place of square root 1 by 2. Now first, in place of square root, we will write 1 by 2. Now first we will write 16 into square root 16 under square root 16. Now in place of this square root, we will write 1 by 2 as exponent to the whole power 16 as it is. Next, if we have a to the power b to the whole power c is given, then it is equal to a to the power b into c. Means we multiply 1 by 2 with 16 and we get, first we will write this as it is, and next we get here 1 by 2 into 16, and after solving this we get 8. Now we will write 8 as an exponent of this term. Next, here we know that there are two terms. First we will write these terms separately and we get 16 to the power 8 into square root 16 into under square root 16 to the whole power 8. Next, again in place of this square root we will write 1 by 2 as an exponent. Now again we write this term as it is into, and in place of this square root we will write 16 into square root 16 to the whole power 1 by 2 to the whole power 8. Next, again here we apply this identity, and after applying this identity we get, first we will write 16 to the power 8 into 16 under square root 16 to the whole power 1 by 2 into 8. We apply this identity here, and here we cancel out 8 with 2 and get 4. Next, 16 to the power 8 into 16 into square root 16 to the whole power 4. Next, there are two terms here and we write these terms separately and get, first we will write 16 to the power 8 as it is into 16 to the power 4 square root 16 to the power 4. Next, again in this term in place of square root we will write 1 by 2. First we write 16 to the power 8 as it is and 16 to the power 4 as it is into, here we will write 16 to the power 1 by 2 to the whole power 4. Next, again we multiply this and get 16 to the power 2. Next, we will write 16 to the power 8 into 16 to the power 4 into 16 to the power 2. Next, here we apply identity. The identity is a to the power b into a to the power c into a to the power d is equal to a to the power b plus c plus d. We apply this identity here and we get 16 to the power 8 plus 4 plus 2. Next, we solve this and get 16 to the power 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Next, 16 can be written as 16 equal to 2 to the power 4. Means in place of 16 we will write 2 to the power 4 to the whole power 14. And next we apply this identity here and we get 2 to the power 4 multiply 14. We multiply these two and get 2 to the power 56. This is answer of this question with first method. Next we solve this question with second method. If you clear this question with first method, then like the video. Also subscribe the channel if you new in this channel. Now let's begin solution of this question with second method. In second method, in place of square root, we will write 1 by 2. Means square root a is equal to a to the power 1 by 2. Now first we will count how many square root. This 16 comes under 1 square root. This 16 comes under 2 square root. This 16 comes under 3 square root. And now first we will write square root 16 into square root under square root 16 into square root under square root under square root 16 to the whole power 16. Next, in place of square root, we will write 1 by 2 as exponent. Means square root 16 can be written as 16 to the power 1 by 2 into. Here 2 times square root means we will write 16 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Next, here 3 times square root, we will write 16 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. Means we will write 1 by 2 3 times to the whole power 16. Next, we solve this and get 16 to the power 1 by 2 into 16 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 into 16 to the power 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 8 to the whole power 16 as it is. Next, here we apply identity, that is a to the power b into a to the power c into a to the power d is given. Then it is equal to a to the power b plus c plus d. Means here we apply identity and get 16 to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 to the whole power 16 as it is. Next we solve 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. Here we solve 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. First we take LCM of 2, 4 and 8. And we get 8 as LCM. How we take LCM? First we write 2, 4, 8. Divide with 2 and we get 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 2 fours are. Next again we divide with 2 and get 2 ones are, 2 twos are. Again we divide with 2, we get 2 ones are. Next we multiply 2 with 2 with 2. We get 8 as LCM. Next we divide this 8 with 2. We get 4. And here we multiply with 4. Next we divide this 8 with 4. Sorry, here we divide 2 and here we divide with 4. We get 2 and multiply with 2. Here we divide 8 with 8. We get 1 and multiply here with 1. Next, we multiply this and get 4 plus 2 plus 1. Next we solve this and get 4 plus 2, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 by 8. Next, in place of this, we will write 16 to the power 7 by 8 to the whole power 16 as it is. Next, here we apply identity, that is a to the power b to the whole power c is equal to a to the power b into c. We apply this identity here and we get 16 to the power 7 by 8 multiply with 16. Next we solve this and get 8 to the 16 multiply 7 with 2 we get 14 means 16 to the power 14. Next in place of 16 we will write 2 to the power 4 means 16 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 4 times. Means in place of 16 we will write 2 to the power 4 to the whole power 14 as it is. Again here we apply this identity and we get 2 to the power 4 multiply 14 and we get 2 to the power 56. That is answer of this question with second method. I hope you clear both first method and second method. If you clear this question, then like the video. Also subscribe the channel if you new in this channel. Today we will discuss square root problem. The problem is square root 9 under square root 9 under square root 9 to the whole power 4. Let's begin solution of this question. We have to solve this question with two methods. But now first we solve this question with first method. In this method, we have to eliminate the square root one by one. In the last video, to eliminate the square root, we have to take square in both the side. But in this session, here exponent is given, that is 4. We know that 4 equal to 2 into 2. In place of 4, we will write 2 into 2. Now our first step, first we will write square root 9 under square root 9 under square root 9 to the whole power 2 into 2. Now these 2 will be cancelled with this. And here we get 9 square root 9 under square root 9 to the whole power 2. 1 2 left. That is exponent. Next, here we solve square root 9. First we will solve square root 9. Square root 9 equal to square root 3 square. In place of 9 we will write 9 equal to 3 into 3 and we will write 3 square. This square cancel with square root and we get 3. Means in place of square root 9 we will write 3. Here we will write 9 square root 9 under square root 9. That is given. We will solve square root 9 and get 3 to the whole power 2. Next we multiply 9 with 3 and we get, first we write 9 into, we get 27 whole square. Next we solve 27. 27 can be written as square root 27. Square root 9, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is a 9, 3 is a 27. Next we make pair of these two terms, and if have a pair under the square root we get single term without square root into square root 3 as it is. This square root 3 as it is. Means in place of square root 27 we will write 3 square root 3. Here we will write 9 into 3 square root 3 whole square. Next, here 3 terms under the square, and this can be written as, first we will write 9 square. Next we will write 3 square. Next we will write square root 3 whole square. This square cancel with square root and we get 9 square into 3 square into 3. Next we solve this. 9 square equal to 81. 9 into 9 81. 3 square equal to 9 and 3 as it is. Next we multiply 81 with 9 and we get 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. Multiply with 3. Next multiply 729 with 3. We get 3 nines are 27. 2 here, 3 2s are 6 or 2, 8. 3 sevens are 21. This is answer of this question with first method. Now let's begin solution of this question with second method. In second method, first here we know that this 9 comes under 1 square root, this 9 comes under 2 square root and this 9 comes under 3 square root. First we will write square root 9. We write these 3 terms separately. Square root 9 into square root under square root 9 into square root under square root under square root 9 whole power 4. Next, we know that square root 9 equal to square root 3 into 3. If there is a pair of a term under the square root, we get single term without square root. Next, in place of this, we will write 3. Next, here we get 3 into. Next, we solve this square root 9. This square root 9. And first we write square root as it is. And solve square root 9, we get 3 into. Next, again we solve this square root 9. And after solving this we get 3, but these two square root write as it is, to the whole power 4. Next, we know that square root a equal to a to the power 1 by 2. Means if square root a is given and it can be written as a to the power 1 by 2. Here a is 3. And now this can be written as, first we will write 3 into 3 to the power 1 by 2. Here in place of square root 3 we will write 3 to the power 1 by 2. A is 3 and this equal to 3 to the power 1 by 2 into, this can be written as 3 to the power, here 2 times square root, and this can be written as 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 3 to the 1 by 2 to the whole power 4. Next, we solve this and get 3 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 1 by 2 into 3 to the power 1 by 4 to the whole power 4. Next, if a to the power 1, b into a to the power c into a to the power d is given, then it is equal to a to the power b plus c plus d. We apply this identity here and we get 3 to the power 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 to the whole power 4. Next we solve this and here we will solve 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. We take LCM of 1, 2 and 4, and after taking LCM we get 4 as LCM. Next we divide 4 with 1, get 4. We divide 4 with 2, we get 2. We get 4 with 4, we get 1. Next multiply 4 with 1, we get 4. 2 with 1 get 2. 1 with 1 we get 1. Next we solve this and get 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 4. Means in place of this we will write 7 by 4. And here we will write 3 to the power 7 by 4 to the whole power 4. Next, if a to the power b to the whole power c is given, then it is equal to a to the power b into c. We apply this identity here and we get 3 to the power 7 by 4 multiply 4. Next, this 4 cancel with this 4 and we get 3 to the power 7. And 7 can be written as 6 plus 1. And here we write 3 to the power 6 plus 1. Next, to solve this easily, again we write 6 as, we will write 6 as 3 plus 3. Means here we write 3 to the power 3 plus 3 plus 1. Now we apply identity, that is a to the power b plus c plus d. Then it is equal to a to the power b into a to the power c into a to the power d. We apply this identity here and we get 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. Next we solve 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power 3 is equal to 3 to the power 3 equal to 3 times multiplication of 3 and we get 27. Next 3 to the power 3 27 and 3 to the power 3 1. Next multiply these and we get 27 as it is. Next multiply 27 with 3, we get 3 sevens are 21, 2 here, 3 to just 6 or 2, 8. Next multiply 27 with 8. We multiply 27 with 8. 81 with 27. We get 7 1 is 7, 7 8 is 56, 2 1 is 2, 2 8 is 16. 7, 8, 1, 2. 2187 means 2187 is answer of this question with second method. Both first method and with second method the answer is same. I hope you clear this question with both first method and second method. If you clear this question, then like the video. Also subscribe the channel if you new in this channel.